Hello there. This is a series of videos explaining how to supercharge the code for the Angular 2 QUICKSTART tutorial. This is Zira, narrating again for David Donovan, and in this video I am going to show you how to speed up the download time through bundling. Also, I will show you how to separate the Angular 2 framework code from your own application code. Many developers are asking the question why so many files in an Angular 2 application, and how can I speed up the download time? Well, I'm not going to answer the first question, but I will answer the second. One of the most time-consuming processes to receiving content from the server is the negotiating the download of the content. By bundling the content, you will be reducing the time it takes to download the content. Normally in a web application project, the thing that changes frequently is your application code, but the Angular 2 framework code and the other third-party libraries stay the same. By running the gulp task titled bundle.js prod, you will effectively bundle the code into two bundles. One for the framework code, and one for the application code. Since the framework code should seldom change, and since the bundles are cached on the client, this is a better strategy to assure that your download is small and fast. Let's take a quick look at the first project's index.html file and compare it to the second project's index.html. Notice that I removed the script tags from the head of the file, and added the bundled script tags to the body of the file. In case you don't know how to invoke the tasks in the gulp file, here is how. First, right-click on the gulp file in the Solution Explorer and choose Task Runner Explorer. Next, double-click on the task named Concat Libraries. This will concatenate all the JavaScript library files into one file. Next, double-click on the task named Bundle.js prod. You just created the bundles for the application. And once you have done this, it is only necessary to run the task bundle app prod, since the framework bundle should not need to change. Hopefully this will greatly speed up the download time, but we will see in a minute when we do our performance analytics. Let's do the same performance test on the second project that we did on first project, then compare the difference. First, clear the cached application files. Next, open up Developer Tool to the Performance tab. Then start the performance recording by clicking on the Start button. Navigate to the application on Azure. Once the application has launched successfully, go back to the Performance tab in the Developers Tools and stop the recording by clicking on the Stop button. Now we have captured the data necessary to analyze the time to load the application. Let me select the range and check the duration for the second project. Looking much better. Then why not go to the Network tab to see how that looks? Great news! We just reduced the payload, which in turn sped up the download time. In the next, and final video, I'm going to demonstrate how to eliminate the need to copy the dependencies to the lib folder and how to implement the application cache to allow your application to work offline, completely disconnected.